Okay, dear students, let us see what is there in this question. Two bodies, each of equal mass, traveling in opposite directions, collide head on. And this mass is moving with the velocity of 8, the other is moving with the velocity of 4. What is a possible outcome of the collision? So now we know that there are many kind of collisions. One is elastic collision, another is inelastic collision, and the third one is totally inelastic collision in which the bodies stick together. So this must be one of those. In all those three collisions, one thing is common, and what is that? The momentum of the system is constant. So whatever collision is this, the momentum of this will remain constant. So first of all, let us find the initial momentum. Now, initial momentum for the complete system. So momentum is a vector quantity. That is why we have to choose a sign convention. So this, I'm choosing this as the positive direction and this as the negative direction. So what will be the momentum of the system? For this, let us say the mass is m. For this, the mass is m. What is the total momentum? Now for this, the momentum is mass into velocity, 8m. And for this, the momentum will be m into 4, but that will be negative because it is in the opposite direction. So in total, our total momentum for the system is towards right because it is coming out to be positive, and the magnitude is 4. Now out of these four options A, B, C, D, we will find the total momentum, that is after the collision, and for whichsoever case the total momentum is coming out to be 4m, that will be the perfect case. Now let us try our knowledge on the option number A. So what is the final momentum for the system? It is going to be 5m in the positive plus 7m positive, so it is coming out to be 12. So this option is wrong. Now let us go to the option number B, and we will find the final momentum for the system. Now this is 1, again positive direction, so it is coming out to be m into 1 plus positive direction, that is 3 into m. So yes, it is coming out to be plus 4m. So B becomes our potential answer. We have to check for the others also. Let us see what is C. So in the case of C, this will be taken as negative, this will be positive, so 4m minus 2m, so it is coming out to be 2m. And in the case of D, it is 6 plus 6, it is coming out to be 12m. So we have seen that only and only B option is correct, in which the momentum is conserved. Momentum is always conserved whatever happened in the collision, whether there are conservative forces or there are non-conservative forces, whether there is friction, whether there is viscosity, whatever, but momentum will always be conserved. So with this is Professor Varun. Thanks for watching. All the best.